Happy little water heater, huh? Wow. Shall we take the blue patch off of him?
Eventually. I didn't do it. I don't know which one did it, but I was told about it.
Well, thank you for showing it to me.
He's so happy.
Yeah, I know. He's contented to be here. He's found a nice home.
That's true. He probably would have had a hard time finding a home.
Yeah, because somebody squirched him in the back. So. Our lawnmower has googly eyes. Why not? All these things have a life of their own, right?
Oh, we don't have to keep it.
So much for watching the brave little toaster again, right? The toaster again and again.
I mean, right.
So.
Love you.
I love you. Oh, I put this on. Oops.